If your eyes are drifting away from the camera, even just a little bit, you're losing trust, authority, and attention fast. But what if I told you there's an AI that can fix your eye contact perfectly? Even if you're looking at your note the whole time. No retakes, no green screen, just one click. Yeah, I've been making videos for a couple of years, and if there's one brutal truth alert, is this: your eyes, your credibility. If you're not making eye contact, people scroll, they zone out, they don't trust you. I'm showing you deep Descript's eye contact AI features that will fix that in seconds. Simply come to the Descript website and create a new video project and drag and drop the video and it will transcribe the video. So while it's transcribing, let me tell you what is eye contact. Eye contact is a features inside Descript that uses AI to subtly shift your gaze to look directly at the camera, even if you did not while recording. It's built using NVIDIA's Maxine technology. So yes, it does fix eye contact features and simply how to do it. You'll just have to open your project in Descript, select the video you want to fix, and in this from this panel, click on the fix eye contact. Toggle it on and wait for processing. It will analyze the face, adjust the eyes, and boom. You're looking into the viewer's soul like a seasoned TikTok speaker. And by the way, here's the catch. Do not use eye contact if you move your head too much. You're already making natural eye contact. The background lighting. If the background lighting changes a lot, do not use the eye contact. Even if you're using it in long form interviews, it can start to look robotic, to be honest. Overusing it can land you straight into uncanny valley territory. If people sense something off, they'll bounce. You know that. Use it sparingly. Think of it like autotune. A great fix in moderation. A disaster is overdone. Simple. And here's some pro tips. You should use it on short, scripted videos like reels, tutorials, or talking head intros. Keep your lighting consistent. Soft key lights helps a lot. Use cuts between segments so the eye shift doesn't look weird in long takes. So, here's the wrap up. Eye contact is not just a gimmick. It's the kind of AI that's actually useful. It saves you hours reshooting, it boosts trust, and most importantly, it fixes one of the biggest subconscious mistakes creators make: poor engagement through eye drifting. If you want more smart tools like this, hit subscribe. I don't do fluff, I do fixes. See you in the next one.